Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Robotics class of EduVitae. Today we are going to discuss 7-segment display. A 7-segment display is a form of electronic display device for displaying number from 0 to 9. Let's see the working of 7-segment display. Electronics components used in this project are LED bulb, resistors, jumper wire and Arduino Uno controller board. With the help of jumper wire, we will connect the 7-segment display to the Arduino Uno board. Arduino is an open source embedded development platform. Now with the help of programming, you will see how to display number from 0 to 9. 7-segment display are widely used in digital clock, electronics meter, basic calculator and other electronic devices that display numeric information.